So what the pallet label does is record the GTINs and lots from each case that as you're building a pallet. Since many shipments are often from multiple lots and multiple harvest dates, this pallet label provides what's called a serial shipping container code, or SSCC code. And at the time of shipment, you enter the customer ship to information for inventory tracking in and out of packed inventory. This is what enables us to trace forward a shipment. It gives you the ability to know where specific lots or products with specific harvest attributes went. Because you may harvest 100 cases of corn, but only 40 went to this particular customer. How do you know that it's those particular 40 that a customer is having a problem with and not the other 60? So that's the purpose of this SSCC pallet label. And finally, all this data needs to be on the cloud, because that's the only way for instant trace back and trace forward across the supply chain. You know, you mentioned blockchain earlier, Beth, and yes, it's gotten a lot of press from large companies with tons of money to spend on marketing. The truth is, we have the tools right now, and we can accomplish the ability. We can get product tracked in a matter of seconds, as Frank Yanos of the FDA has talked about, with existing technology. We don't need to go into fancy blockchain technologies and things like that. These technologies exist now, and they're cost effective. What the point is going to be is that by bypassing paper records and Excel spreadsheets, and by making specific trace information available both to your own company and to your trading partners in a matter of seconds, will happen by putting that data on the cloud. So in summary, the traceability system should be a platform for case labeling to enable trace back, pallet shipment tracking to enable trace forward, all hosted in the cloud for instantaneous trace across the supply chain. This will help lower inventory management costs and ultimately improve your relationship with your receivers.